Want to know how to see only the heroes that are available or that are unlocked in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options like play, champions and much more. So right below play you should be seeing something like champions, so you can just simply select it. So now once you select the champions, here you should be seeing various champions that you own right now. It should be on the colored version just like this. So if you want more filtration or if it's ruined, you can just simply select this sort by icon right here and you can see ownership and name, ownership and mastery level. You can select any one of these two in order to start from ownership, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.